Localized areas of Topanga State Park are hit hard due to native dry brush plant species and high winds. A site within Topanga has been chosen for a wildfire cattle shelter, to be used as a place of refuge for those who cannot get their animals to safety. The focus of this project is a wildfire safety shelter for livestock and other domesticated animals that cannot be evacuated in the event of a wildfire. The barn provides shelter to the animals and is made heat-resistant by its ceramic tile-clad exterior. The barn typology has been chosen to address these issues as it offers a familiar safe space for farm animals. The massing has been modified to minimize overhangs and other hazards typical of standard barns. Possible entrance points are created for the animals to seek shelter. All entrances are pivotable and allow animals to push their way in and away from the fire. A ceramic tile cladding has been designed to effectively mitigate heat transfer from wildfires to the barn's interior while dispersing flames and hot air around the barn with a three-dimensional tile form. The ceramic tile cladding is assembled onto a ceramic-coated steel egg crate system which is then tied back to the primary fire-rated steel structure. This renders the entire barn fireproof. The ceramic facade is coated with a glazed texture derived from multiple aerial images of landscapes prone to wildfires. This texture provides variation of color and finish across the facade of the shelter. Portions of the texture have been abstracted to produce three-dimensional depth variation on the surface of each tile as well as across the entire shelter. A series of lines are extracted from texture and used as tool paths for a robotically assisted carving process. This results in three-dimensional texture directly responding to the colored glazes on each tile. The tile texture has also been abstracted into zones of color which then direct the application of corresponding ceramic glaze mixtures designed in collaboration with a workshop conducted by a glazing expert. A specific glaze is applied to each zone, which spans multiple tiles, in order to reproduce the texture image on the assembly of ceramic tiles. After glazing, the tiles are fired in a ceramics kiln to cone 5. This process melts the glazes into a solid glass coating on the surface and strengthens the tiles. Once the tiles are fired, the cladding system is assembled. The tiles are placed based on the glaze zoning map and carving transfer map. Each tile, while beginning as one of the 3 tile types, is now unique in its appearance and texture while coming together with the others to produce a whole, continuous texture and pattern.